One of the new features in PastPerfect 5.0 is the sidebar. To show you this feature, I'm going to go to the Objects catalog from the main menu. The sidebar is a row of buttons located on the far left-hand side of your catalog screen. This feature was designed so that all of the screen views and actions performed on a catalog record are accessible in a central location. On this object record, you will notice that some of the buttons have a green data light on the right-hand side. This light will indicate that there is further information located within that screen view. For example, this record for object ID number 1998.1.2 has information in art, appraisal, condition, dimensions, and several other screen views. If you want to learn more about or to change what is contained within a particular screen view, simply click on that button to display that screen view. The top section of the sidebar has default screen views for the catalog records. These screen views represent the types of items you may find in a particular catalog. PastPerfect 5 has also included the custom section of the record as an option for your default view. Depending on the type of item you are cataloging, you can select a default screen view for the record by simply clicking on the radio button next to its name. When a default view for a record is selected, this view will appear at the bottom of the screen each time you access the catalog record. If I click Next through a few of the records and objects, you'll see that the default screen view will change depending on the type of record. If the view selected is in the Other Views area of the catalog record sidebar, or if you select a view on the contact record, it will display this screen view for each record when you click Next or Prior buttons through the catalog. The Prior and Next buttons are located within the navigation bar of your catalog record. The navigation bar includes not only your Prior and Next buttons, but also buttons to jump to the beginning or end of your catalog records. Also included within the navigation bar are the Add, Browse, Edit, Spell Check, Find, Query, Delete, Print, Media, and Exit buttons. Depending on the catalog you are working in, and if you are using PastPerfect Security, some of these buttons may not be available. The Media button is available for users who have installed the optional multimedia upgrade, allowing them to attach archival quality images, audio and video files, Microsoft Word or PDF documents, or links to websites. If the film strip on this button is turquoise, a multimedia file has been attached to the record and is accessible from this button. If the film strip is gray, no multimedia files have been attached to the record. This button will also enable you to add new multimedia files to your catalog record. The Prior, Next, Beginning and End of File, and Browse buttons will allow you to review your catalog records. The Sort By option at the top right-hand side of your catalog record will determine the order in which your records are reviewed. For example, if I select Object Name in the Sort By list, you will see in our evaluation program that all of our catalog records are now sorted alphabetically by object name. When I click on Prior, you will see that the object name will change. If I use the Beginning of File button, I will see that the first object name alphabetically for our catalog records. I can see in my Browse screen that all of my object names are now sorted alphabetically. If I close out of the Browse screen and sort my records by object ID instead, the records will now be in object ID order. For more information about the sidebar, the navigation bar, and the Sort By option, please refer to Chapter 2 and Chapter 6 in your PastPerfect 5 User's Guide.